What's the fastest way to loop through a data frame and count occurrences within the data frame whilst some condition is fulfilled, in Python? I have a data frame with 2 Boolean fields, or as below. I am trying to find the fastest and most Pythonic way of achieving the following. If a 1 equals true, count instances from current row where a 2 equals false, e.g. row 1, a 1 equals true, a 2 is false for 3 rows from row 1. At first instance of a 2 equals true, stop counting, e.g. row 4, count equals 3. Set value of a counter to new df column a3 on row where counting began, e.g. a3 equals 3 on row 1. Target result set as follows. I have been trying to accomplish this using for loops, iteros and while loops and so far haven't been able to produce a good nested combination which provides the results I want. Any help appreciated? I apologize if the problem is not totally clear.
How about this? So, if a 1 is false, write 0, else write the length of list that goes from that row until next true.
This will do the trick. And produce the following output. Edit, added comments in the code.